Hello students, welcome to the political science tutorials. In this video, I am going to discuss with you the topic scope of political science. First, we will understand what is the meaning of scope of political science. The scope of political science, it means the subject matter or content of political science. It means what exactly is studied in political science, what exactly the subject or the content of the study in political science. But there is no agreement about the exact scope of political science, and the reason for this is that the lack of precise definition and different definitions and terminologies given in the political science. Political science is defined in a different ways with different definition and terminologies by the political scientists based upon their study. As a result, you will also not find the exact scope of political science. But one conference was held in September 1948 at the UNESCO House which decided the scope of political science. So let's understand in detail the scope of political science. The first point to discuss the scope is that political science is the study of political theories. So here in political science, political scientists they develop various political theories and political ideas over the past centuries. To give you the example, Plato, who is an ancient political thinker, he has developed the theory of ideal state and theory of justice. Beside the medieval thinkers like Hobbes, Locke, Rousseau have explained theory of origin of state. So such theories, it helps to develop the new theories based upon its analysis. So theories which are already present in the society, those theories are updated or new theories are developed based upon the analysis which are done on these theories. Next point, political science is the study of political institution. So political science in its scope studies the constitution of different countries and the political system of the different countries and study the merits and demerits of their political system. It also studied different forms of government like parliamentary form of government, presidential form of government, dictatorial form of government, democratic and coalition form of government. Studying such type of various political institution, it helps to reform the existing political institution and achieve the goal of the country's political system. Third point, it studies political parties and pressure groups. Political science, it studies the political parties and pressure group because they have a very important role to play in the functioning of the government. So here it mainly studies the methods used by these political parties and pressure group, and it try to understand how these political parties and pressure groups are influencing the government policies. Fourth point, it study international relation. Political science, it includes in its study the international relation wherein it mainly studies about the international organization and developing the foreign policies. Because states do not live in isolation, domestic policy and foreign policy are interrelated. And such type of the study on international relation is important in terms of globalization. Fifth point, the scope it includes the study of state and government. Political science is the study of state and the government, hence it conducts the scientific study of both the state and government. So here it basically used the scientific method in order to study the state and government. So here it deals with the nature and formulation of the state and tries to understand various forms and functions of the government. 6 point, it studies about the associations and institution. So basically it studies the origin and nature of various associations and institutions of the state. So it includes in the study how this association and institution are evolved and are useful to the state for its progress. Seventh scope that it includes the study of power, authority, influences, political activities and political process. Political science basically used both normative as well as empirical techniques in its study. Normative approach or normative study basically based upon the norms, ideals, morals, principles and philosophy of political science. While empirical technique or empirical approach of the study of political science, it basically based on scientific tools like observation, analysis of the political activities and institutions. Next point, that the political science is the study of political system and its environment. So various political systems exist and function in different environment and political science studies them with reference to the response given and feedback secured. So the policies of one system, it is having an impact on the system of other. So these are the point which is giving you the information on the scope of political science. And the question on this topic is write in detail about the scope of political science. Thank you.